So starting off this video, as you guys can see, my hair is in twists because this is how my hair ends up after the routine. So if you want to see exactly how I got to this point, I'm going to show you. Now, just a little disclaimer, I am using red rice water in this video, and I do have a video on my exact recipe for this red rice water. It is basically the same as regular rice water, but I'm using red rice, and I have a whole video that's going to detail and explain all that. If it's not up before this one, then it will be up right after this one, and I will link it in the eye and also in the description box below. I know a lot of you people have been asking me how exactly I use it, how I use it in my wash day. So in this video, I'm actually going to explain it down to a T, so enjoy the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my full rice water wash day routine. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Hey loves, it's Angelica, aka Angie B, and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to get straight into it right now. My hair is already washed, and this is what it's looking like. I was just t-shirt drying it. Now, I do apologize for not filming the washing process, but the bathroom is still under construction, so I cannot film in there. But today was literally the easiest wash day. So this is what the hair is looking like. Growing very fast. So I co-washed my hair. I did not use any shampoo. I also co-washed my hair last week, but the week before that I did use a shampoo. This is what I co-washed with. This is the Herbal Essences Brazilian Passion. I've tried maybe 4 different types, and all of them are really good. So I think whatever type you find, I've used the one in the blue bottle. I can't remember what it is, but I really like that one. So just any conditioner that makes your hair nice and soft. If you're thinking of co-washing, I would recommend this one. I really like it. If you're American, I guess it's Herbal Essences, but you know, British English, Herbal Essences. And I just t-shirt dried it. There's completely nothing else in my hair. I actually didn't deep condition today, but I will be using an actual conditioner as a leave-in conditioner, so that will balance it out. Basically, I'm just a little bit lazy today. So we're getting straight into how I'm applying the rice water. So I will section my hair as I always do, and I'm just using my hands. You can use a comb if you like, but I try not to use combs a lot, just to reduce on the manipulation. And I won't tie it twice. I will just tie it once, because I just need the hair out of the way for now. And I'm going to start working with this side. And this side, I will split it up into 2. And a bit more here. I will clip this up. That. So this is the back section we are working with. I will also split this into 2. If your hair is finer than mine, not as thick, then you can just do this in one big section. I don't think you need to section it again, but I have a lot of hair and I want the rice water to be in all my hair. This is my rice water, as I showed in the beginning. Just kind of looks like dirty water. I will be spraying this first on my scalp, and then after I spray it on my scalp, I'll spray it down the rest of my hair. And I will also massage it into my scalp before moving on to the rest of my hair. And you guys know how much I love my spray bottle, the continuous spray bottle, the one that basically sprays out like an aerosol. The reason why I am not using it and why you shouldn't use it is because sometimes there's tiny particles of rice that are in the water and they can clog the bottle. So just try and use those bottles for plain water. So if you can see, I'm using the pads of my fingers to moisturize it into my hair. As much as using your nails like this can feel nice sometimes, it can rip your hair out, which defeats the entire purpose. Okay, so now that that's nicely massaged into my roots, I will spray it down the rest of my hair and saturate it. So far, this in texture, it doesn't feel much different from regular rice water, but I will say regular rice water seems to feel a little bit more on the rougher side because of the starch. This one feels very smooth and way more softening. So on a regular wash day, what I would do is I would leave this in my hair for 1 hour and then rinse it out. But this time, I am going to put my hair in braids or twists, which I'll keep for about a week. So I'm not going to wash the rice water out. I will leave it in my hair. So that's basically enough. I'm going to use my trusty Tangle Teaser to detangle. Wow, this actually feels really, really nice. If I didn't mention it before, this is the first time I'm using red rice water. But this is the exact same routine I would follow if I was using regular white rice water. And just so you know, I have used rice water before. In case you haven't seen those videos, I will link a playlist at the end of this video and also in the description box below, so you can see how I make regular rice water and all that. How I make it, my 10-day rice water challenge, which was amazing. I got a lot of growth. So if you guys are interested in seeing me doing a 10-day red rice water challenge, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment in the comment section below if you're interested in that. Okay, so the hair is nice and detangled. It feels very soft. When I use the other kind of rice water, because of the starch, it feels a little bit on the drier side immediately. But I don't mind that, of course, because the end result is always great. Okay, so now that it's saturated with the rice water, I'm going to put in some conditioner, and I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner. You guys know this is my favorite conditioner, as well as the deep conditioner, which I use almost every week when I'm not lazy like today. Of course, always take the amount that is suitable for your own hair. If you have much less hair than me, you might not need this much. Or if you have more hair and longer hair, you might need more than me. Comb through with my white tooth comb just to make sure the product is nice and evenly distributed. And I will be honest, guys, I have not been using rice water for the past about 2 months, and I have no valid reason. I've just been too lazy to make the rice water and do the whole thing. But now that I'm trying the red rice water, I think it's something a little bit new. It's a bit exciting for me, so it will help me stay on track. Now I'm taking my oil mix as usual, the same one I use in all my videos. I make different oil mixes just depending on what I have on hand. And I'm taking about, I don't know if you can see it, but that amount. Rubbing it between my hands, that's what it looks like. And I'll start with the ends of the hair. You should always focus a lot of product on the ends of your hair because it is the oldest part of your hair, most prone to breakage, and looks the worst when your hair is damaged. Okay, so when this is done, I will twist it up. Now, like I said, today I'm going to put my hair in little braids or twists, just like the one I'm doing here. So if I wasn't going to be doing that, I would still put my hair in twists, but chunky twists. And then later on, when I'm styling my hair, like putting a gel or whatever styling product, I would just undo the twists and put whatever other products I'd want to put immediately if I was doing some sort of like wash and go kind of thing. But this is how it is. And it feels so good on the scalp. Like, it took this long. Only now am I feeling like the tingling on my scalp from the peppermint and tea tree. And it feels so amazing and refreshing. So that's what the twist looks like. So now I am not going to bore you and keep explaining the same thing over and over again. We're going to play a little music, speed this up a little bit, and we're going to do our whole head, and then we'll be back to talk.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pit on my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Now I am done doing all the little twists. As you can see, this is actually the first time I've twisted my whole head of hair, and I really like how they came out. They are not unraveling. So if you guys would like me to do a twist out for the first time, please let me know and I'm going to do a video on that. But this is how I'm going to end my rice water wash day. I'm going to keep my hair in a head wrap for the whole week because it is blazing hot and I literally have no energy to do anything else. Please click my face right there if you want to subscribe to this video if you didn't in the beginning. Also hit the 2 videos on this side because you might be interested in those videos as well. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!